Good morning, students. As you all know that your PT2 exam is over. Now you get prepared for your half yearly examination. So listen, today I am giving you syllabus for your half yearly examination. Okay. First I will tell the syllabus of history. Okay. Listen very carefully. Don't be confused. Okay, beta. So see here, from history portion you have to prepare from chapter 4 to chapter 6. Means the name of chapter 4 is the earliest cities up to early kingdoms in India. The chapter number 6 is which one? Early kingdoms in India. Okay, is it clear? Now move towards civics portion. Okay, in civics you have to prepare from chapter 3 to chapter 5. Means types of government to chapter 5 Panchayati Raj. Is it clear? Now comes towards geography portion. In geography you have to prepare from this chapter 4. Not only chapter 4 will come in exam. Okay, and later I am going to say, you see here, listen me very carefully. पहले आप इस चीज़ को ध्यान दीजिए कि आपका जो PT1 और PT2 का भी सिलेबस इंक्लूड होगा। इस चीज़ को मत भूलिएगा। आपका PT1 और PT2 का हिस्ट्री में भी इंक्लूड होगा, PT1 और PT2 सिविक्स में भी इंक्लूड होगा, PT1 और 2 ज्योग्राफी में भी इंक्लूड होगा। इज इट क्लियर ना? ये सारी चीज़ें क्लियर हो गई? ओके, एंड first we will discuss about history portion. Tomorrow we will talk about this chapter in very detail. Okay, now syllabus is clear now? Okay, so let us see the chapter 4. I have already explained chapter 4. Isn't you all know that I have already explain chapter 4. So I will discuss chapter 5. Is it clear? If anybody problem, then I will dictate it later on. Okay, beta. So here the name of chapter 5th, which will come in your half yearly examination, that is the Vedic age. We will discuss in this chapter about our Vedic age. We will discuss 4 Vedas, that is Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda and Atharva Veda. Okay, and also Veda is a Sanskrit word. Okay, means root, with means root, jad. Okay, and the Vedas, with means root and Vedas means what you say means knowledge, ज्ञान. ठीक है, ऋग वेदास. ओके, वेदा इज a संस्कृत वर्ड derived from the root with से निकला है ये. that means to know, जानना. the word Veda means knowledge. Okay, and also we will discuss about in detail about the life of the people and also about the society of the people, and side by side Rig Veda as a literary evidence. Okay, and now we will also discuss about the occupations of during this period, and also we will talk about poetry of this period, and also one more thing, a more important thing, that is the Chalcolithic settlement, that is okay, and regarding this we will talk about archaeological findings, and also the most important, that is decline, and last topic of this chapter is the story of the Magids. We will discuss about the story of magnets. Okay, I think you all have purchased your books. Okay, so let's start our chapter 5, the Vedic age. Okay, you all open your book, page number 36. Is it clear? Yes. Now see here, the 4 Vedas. Just I told now 4 Vedas. What's their name? First, Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda and Athar Veda. These are the 4 important Vedas. Okay, yeah. Question may ask as a objective type. Okay, so you all mark this like this: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda and Athar Veda. Is it clear? Now, were composed during the period following the Indus Valley civilization, and these were composed during the time or during the period of Indus Valley civilization. ये किस समय में फॉलो किया गया? ड्यूरिंग द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन. ओके, now hence this period from, we take this period from 1500 to 600 BCE, means before common era. You got the word BCE, before common era. Okay, is known as the Vedic age. This period is known as the Vedic age. Question may ask like this: name time duration of Vedic age. Okay, then what you will mention? 1500 to what? 600 BCE. Okay, now let's talk about the Veda. Vedas. Veda is the Sanskrit word derived from the root Ved, that means to know. Vedas is a Sanskrit word which is taken from or derived from, जिससे ये संस्कृत वर्ड है किससे लिया गया है? विद. विद शब्द मीन्स जानना, नॉलेज, टू नो. ठीक, द वर्ड वेदा मीन्स knowledge, and the accurate meaning of Veda is knowledge, to know more and more about anything. Okay, now all the 4 Vedas are written in Sanskrit and contain hymns in praise of various gods and goddesses, and also you will come to know about more detail. Okay, so let's see here. All the 4 Vedas, they are found in written form. Means they are written in Sanskrit. In which language they are written? They are written in Sanskrit and contain, and not only written but also it has contained hymns, sloks in praise of. और ये श्लोक्स किसकी प्रशंसा में कहे गए हैं? स्पेशली देवी देवताओं की प्रशंसा में कहे गए हैं. ठीक, द ओल्डेस्ट वेदा इज द ऋग वेदा. विच वन इज द ओल्डेस्ट वेदा? क्वेश्चन में कम लाइक नेम द ओल्डेस्ट वेदा, देन योर आंसर विल बी ऋग वेदा इज द ओल्डेस्ट वेदा. ओके, got it? Which was composed about 3500 years ago, and this Rig Veda was composed about 3500 years ago. ये कितने वर्ष पहले composed किया गया था? About 3500 years ago. Okay. The Rig Veda consists of more than 1,000 hymns, and in this Rig Veda there also consist more than 1,000 hymns. 1,000 हजारों की संख्या में hymns हैं. Also known as Sukta or well said, जो कही गई हैं. ठीक है, जो पहले से कही गई हैं. These hymns are in praise of different gods and goddesses. और ये जो hymns हैं इसकी प्रशंसा में है अनेकों देवी देवताओं की प्रशंसा में कहे गए हैं. 3 important gods are especially mentioned. And during that time, people used to worship mainly three gods. They are very important. First, Agni, the god of fire. Okay, the first god which they used to worship, that is Agni, means the fire. Second one, Indra, the god of rain. Okay, storm and warm. Varun, the god of sky. They are the three most important gods. Okay, so underline this. Rig Veda is divided into 10 mandalas. Rig Veda, later on, they have divided Rig Veda into 10 mandalas. Okay, or books, and it contains 1028 hymns. और इसके अंतर्गत कितने हिम्स आते हैं? 1028. These hymns were composed by sages. और ये हिम्स किसके द्वारा कंपोज किए गए हैं? Sages means ऋषियों के द्वारा. Okay, so today only this much. Tomorrow we will discuss, we will continue the chapter. Okay, till then, bye beta. Thank you.